Yeah, the tools I'm using: trolley jack, 13mm socket with extension, and rewindable tools for the brake piston. Yeah. Okay. Let's check the car up. This is the jacking point. Make sure the car is on the jacking point. Okay. Okay, let's get the wheel off. Using a 17mm socket with an impact gun. Okay, now it's time to remove 13mm bolts. One is this one. Yeah, this one is off. Okay, caliper is ready to come off. Let's get the bloody caliper off. There you go. Brake pads seized. Yeah, they're not moving at all. Okay, before rewinding, I'm going to lubricate the rubber seal. So yeah, there you go. Let's refit the bolts. There you go. Hold on, let's get the... There you go. That's all done. Yeah, rear pad's all done. Let's get the wheel back on. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, make sure you screw the bolts on with your hand. Yeah, before gun. Yeah, just a few threads. Then you can gun it. Okay. There you go.